The center has rejected claims that using E20 fuel could affect the validity of vehicle insurance policies. In a clarification, the Petroleum Ministry said concerns linking E20 fuel use to insurance validation were incorrect and had been discussed with relevant stakeholders. The government maintained that ethanol blending is a globally accepted practice and is already being used successfully in countries such as the United States, Brazil, and Japan. It noted that Brazil has adopted E27 as a standard petrol blend. Defending the ethanol blending program, the center said the initiative has helped India save more than 1.4 lakh crore rupees in foreign exchange by reducing crude oil imports. The government also highlighted the program's benefits for farmers, saying it has created sustained demand for agricultural feedstocks used in ethanol production and strengthened rural incomes. The ministry said ethanol blending contributes to energy security, lower carbon emissions, and supports India's transition towards cleaner mobility. The center reiterated that the program would continue to be implemented in a safe, transparent, and consumer-friendly manner based on scientific evidence and stakeholder consultations.